Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create this elegant dress using new items from Dress to Impress World Culture Update. Okay, the outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you how we can create this outfit. First of all guys, you can go to the new culture clothing area right here, and you're going to wear this dress. Okay, then you can color it pink. Okay, this is for the color code guys. Okay, you can choose this color code, and then we're going to wear this dress from Thailand, and we're going to toggle it 3 and apply the same pink color. Okay, the next one, I'm going to wear this dress, and then choose only sleeves. Then you're going to apply the same pink color. Okay, now you can apply this pink color for the first selection and also the second selection. Now let's move to the next area, the petal update area. It's right here, and then we're going to wear this flower top and also this one, and I'm going to color it pink. Okay, I'm going to show you the color code. This one guys, you can color them all with this color. Okay, and for this one as well, just color it with the same color like this. Okay, and then the last one, you're going to go to the pant area, and you're going to wear this pant and color it with this pink color. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.